Hi, today we are going to make this beautiful and colorful landscape living with nature, the oil pastels, all the techniques you are going to learn. And this is one of the work that I did for a demo for the class, online art class. So I use 24 oil pastels, Stedler brand. So this tissue paper and earbud helps a lot. And you need a scrapping tool also. So I use a thicker paper, so 180 GSM or 200 GSM is good enough. Sketching paper. So trying freely with the pencil, the planning the landscape, some trees and the branches on the horizon line, and some bushes. It's going to be, as you have already seen, beautiful blue sky and its reflection. Distant tree bunches. So you can plan as you like. It's going to be a lot of lotus leaves. So the lotus leaves closer to the viewer in the bottom are bigger, and progressively it is smaller when it goes up. So that itself that indicates the distance and a little bit of perspective also. So after the basic sketch, you can erase it 50% or a little more, 50% also. So I'm erasing all the carbon made by the pencil. So, but still I could see the lines. Okay, so this much is good enough. First I'm starting with white oil pastels because the lower part of the sky I wanted to be brighter. So I'm trying to apply white for the whole sky. Also on the tree branches in the left. So in the reflection also I can apply some white. Starting with the light blue. With the light blue I'm trying to define the clouds. So you can draw clouds as you like. Some filling the whole sky. After defining the clouds. So I'm running the video a little faster so that can provide you a quick video. So if you want, you can pause the video and do your work. So after making the blue, light blue, so now I am blending the light blue with white. So that gives a nice effect. So now taking the dark blue and applying dark blue in the top of the sky. Now using the earbud. Earbud is a beautiful blending tool in oil pastels. So trying best to blend, and the paper white will not be seen. Blend such a way that you don't see the paper white. Now I am using gray for the bottom of the cloud. So that gives good depth. Trying to touch a little bit of violet on the gray. Okay, so the similar treatment can be done for the bottom also. So already we have the white. Now I am applying light blue, then light blue followed by dark blue I'll be applying. So I'm leaving out the area where the lotus leaves are present. So in the bottom I'm applying darker blue. So darker blue followed by some violet also I would do later. Yeah, now I'm trying to apply a little bit of violet. So now using white for blending. But yeah, I'm just stopping. Now again starting to blend with the earbud. So blend it carefully so that the lotus leaves are not affected. So everywhere, so I'm in the top, I'm starting with the yellow. It's kind of yellow ochre. Now followed by orange, filling orange. Now I'm using light brown just to add some depth. So when I fill with these colors, I just trying to leave out a space for the tree, the branches. But you can fill that also because we have already applied white, but I'm trying best to avoid it. I mean, using a new earbud. Now I am just blending to avoid so that blend it properly so that you don't see the paper white. Looks like some colorful trees. You can see such trees in the fall, maybe in North America and countries where you can see the fall. So fall time the colors change, colors of the leaves change beautifully. So look at the various colors. It's yellow and green and some violet. So all that I'm trying to apply. So when you blend with the earbuds, try to blend the lighter color first, then go to the darker color. So now again applying brown, and now you should apply like your stroke should be such that should resemble the leaves. And I use spoon as a scrapping tool. So I make more branches also using that. Then later I would use black pencil, which is a EE or 8B Staedtler pencil I'd be using. So this is what it is, using and creating darker the branches. And this is all the techniques used in oil pastels, so you can enjoy. Okay, enjoy seeing the rest of the video and just observe the kind of colors I use one after other and the blending I do. Okay, enjoy and have fun and share with me when you complete the artwork. So you can check my email ID in the description. I take art classes for kids and seniors, basic pencil sketching. I have courses for pencil sketching, oil pastels, watercolors and acrylics, mixed media, and also human special class for human figurative drawing and portraits. Check with me if you are interested to join the classes. So you will be provided with the recorded videos of the classes, as well as the classes will be live and interactive, and later a recording of the classes will be shared with the special homeworks. Okay, have fun. And if you're first time seeing this video, kindly subscribe so that you get notification of new content that I add in YouTube. Have a good day.